Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the phone is updated and has enough charge. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness. You flip the dark mode toggle to active so the system UI and compatible apps adopt the darker palette. This is the quickest first step because it changes menus, notifications, and built-in apps instantly. Once done, make sure menus look correct and note which third-party apps did not switch so you can address them next. Next, you enable developer options to force dark where apps don't follow system theme. To do that, tap build number 7 times in About Phone, return to Settings, open Developer Options, and enable the Override Force Dark feature. This forces many third-party apps to invert their colors and match system dark mode. Make sure to test key apps like Chrome and Gmail after toggling it. If an app provides its own theme control, use that instead for better color fidelity. Finish by rebooting the phone so all UI elements reload with the dark theme. Once it restarts, verify notifications, lock screen, and key apps. If you want automation, set a dark mode schedule in display settings so it enables at sunset or a fixed time. If some apps look wrong, clear their cache or update them. And remember, you can disable Force Dark if images or controls invert incorrectly. This troubleshooting step often resolves odd color artifacts without harming system dark mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.